Hello, my name is Avery Jackson, your product specialist. Sorry we had to meet this way, but because of COVID-19, it's probably for the best. I would also like to thank you for being our customer and for being so patient during these times of uncertainty. We have been working to bring the internet to Barton Creek Lakeside for quite some time, and now we are finally here. Since 2004, Clarus has built upon a philosophy of doing what is best for you, and I would like to assure you that we are here to help you and your community grow. Clarus has been a trusted name for 15 years, and as we grow our fiber to the home footprint, I want to reassure you that you will never have to worry about your high-speed internet, quality TV, or voice services ever again. This video will be an overview of the welcome packet in your bag that you will receive when your technician arrives to complete your home installation. It will provide useful information on billing, Clarus services, and much more. So by now you should have an exterior fiber line connection to your home. Great! Just keep in mind in the future if you happen to be doing some yard maintenance or just planting some fresh new begonias and you accidentally break your fiber line, please make sure to call us at 855-655-6788 and we will make sure to address the issue. As soon as your home installation is complete, you will receive an email with instructions on how to log into your Clarus billing portal. In this portal, you will be able to view your past and current bills, or even set up automatic payments. Within your welcome packet, you will also find contact information if you should ever need to cancel your services, upgrade, or if you just have questions regarding billing. If you are experiencing any connection problems, please refer to our troubleshooting page. Here we have a few tips on how to get your internet back up and running. For example, checking your power connection, restarting your device, or maybe just ensuring that your Roku device is connected to your wireless network. But if the problem persists, please just give us a call at 855-655-6788, or you can also email us at support@clarusbroadband.com. Please note, if you have elected to utilize Clarus Wi-Fi for your home wireless system, our customer service agents will be able to assist you in troubleshooting issues on your wireless network. If you have your own wireless system that you would prefer to use, please keep in mind that our agents will have no visibility into your wireless network and will only be able to troubleshoot connectivity at your fiber modem. The installation technician will shut off your Clarus wireless capabilities on your fiber modem to mitigate interference with your home wireless setup when he installs your internet. At the bottom of the page, we have also added a blank space for you to write down your username and passwords for your various services. This information can also be found on the work order that you will receive from your technician. Clarus TV is a new product that I am very excited about. You can stream from both your TV or computer via web browser. That means you can watch Clarus TV from the comfort of your couch or even your home office. Clarus TV offers over 170 channels, including sports, news, and so many movie options that you'll never run out of entertainment for the whole family. One thing that I really enjoy is that you can also watch your own personal store media from your smartphone straight to your TV through the Roku Media tab located at the bottom of your Roku app. If you still haven't set up your Roku device, here you will find written instructions on how to set up your Roku device on your television. If you come across any issues setting up, we have also provided a detailed instructional video from Roku.com specifically on how to set up your Roku devices. You can find this link in the description below to access this video. And now, our Clarus TV application. On this page, you will find step-by-step instructions on how to set up your Clarus TV application. It's super easy. Just go to my.roku.com on your computer or smartphone and sign into your Roku account. Under Manage Your Account, you will then click on the Add Channel with a Code button and proceed to enter the channel code Clarus TV. Then select Add Channel. Make sure that you acknowledge the warning message that will pop up in order to proceed. If you have trouble locating your login information, that can be found on your work order that you will receive during your home installation. Please keep in mind that this is a secured app, and because of broadcasting rights, we must publicize this message. Now, let's look at the lower half of the page with the remote control features. You will see helpful tips and tricks for remote operation. For example, just by pressing the double arrows, forward or back allows you to skip ahead by 10 channels while viewing on your channel guide. By pressing the channel recall button, this allows you to rewind live TV by 30 seconds. But don't worry, we'll dive deeper into remote functions in the Clarus TV setup video that we will also provide. Some really exciting information is here on the Roku Experience page. In an effort to enhance your Clarus TV experience, I wanted to provide some recommendations that I love and that I also use in my own home. First, as you know, the Clarus TV product is a streaming service. We provide unlimited hours of recording, but they only have a lifespan of 7 days due to the nature of this product. So I have found that an organized approach to storing my media content is through Google Play Movies. Here, I can store all of my favorite TV shows, movies, and beyond. And the best thing is, it will stay there forever. If you are an iOS user, Apple TV has a similar setup and feel, and it's just as easy to use. If you forget to record a show on Clarus TV, there are thousands of apps accessible from the Roku home screen that will bring your favorite programming straight to you. On-demand shows watched through network apps make it easy to catch up on your favorite shows. Searching through Roku is a great way to find what you need, and most of these applications are free to use. If you are looking to expand your entertainment possibilities, subscription-based services are the way to go. I have several subscriptions at home and I want to share these along with some popular choices. Okay, so everyone knows about Showtime and HBO, and these are great resources for high-quality original programming. But another still is Amazon Prime Movies. So if you already have an Amazon Prime delivery account, this app is free to you and has network shows, movies, and original programming. Of course, Netflix is almost a must in every home. You will have access to 4K content and so much more. There are others listed here that you should definitely check out as you explore the world of online entertainment. And finally, we've come to the Clarus phone. Your Clarus phone has all the functionality of a landline like call waiting, call forwarding, and voicemail services. VoIP systems enable crystal clear calling, no drop calls, and high customer satisfaction. Your VoIP connection is very similar to your current landline, but it operates through your fiber connection. This means if your power goes out, you will not be able to use your phone unless you set up a battery backup system. Also, please keep in mind, if you take your phone away from your house to use in another location, your 911 emergency service will still be located at your Spicewood address. So this means if you're in another state and call 911 from your Clarus home phone, it will send the emergency services to your Spicewood address. This is very important to remember if you plan to travel with your phone. I know that we've covered a lot of good and useful information, but just keep in mind, if you should ever run into any issues, please make sure to just give us a call, 855-655-6788, or via email at support@clarusbroadband.com. And please remember, just because we can't be together doesn't mean we have to go through this alone.